What a great start to the morning. What's going on, team? It's Ricky with TechBud Solutions. Finally, TQQQ is beginning to indicate signs of an uptrend. Just a little heads up, this is my day trading account, not my swing trading account. I have not purchased more on TQQQ for my swing trade. I'm still less than 50% invested, but with my day trading account, I went in with $50,000, and right now, so far, I'm up a little bit over 1,800. So definitely not too shabby of a day. Again, when it comes down to day trading or when it comes down to swing trading, it is so much easier. It's still not easy, but it's so much easier when the direction is in your favor. Today, TQQQ is beginning to indicate signs of an uptrend. TQQQ follows the overall NASDAQ market. When the NASDAQ market begins to indicate signs of an uptrend, then so does TQQQ. TQQQ is triple leveraged. So when the market's up 1%, TQQQ is up 3%. As you can tell, NASDAQ index is up 1.7%. We have TQQQ that's up nearly 5% on the day. My intention with this day trade is to lock in profits, and I'll actually lock in profits pretty soon. So it's looking a little bit more on the overbought side. I just set my alert for the new highs, and again, my job is to lock in profits at overbought levels and to buy at oversold levels. So I am so excited. I wanted to share with you not just this update, but when I plan to average up on my swing trade. So when looking at TQQQ, it's still indicating signs of, again, it's still very oversold. I'm not missing out on anything. I'm not in a rush to jump right back in. But once this thing begins to trade above $70 a share, which was based off of previous support levels, $70 to $71, I would love to average up into TQQQ. Until then, I don't mind day trading it. I don't need to force my entry. I have so much margin to work with. Look at this, so much margin to work with. My goal is 14%. I have 30% margin to work with. Let's be realistic, right? I don't know what you're trading. We all have different focuses. I don't know what your tech stock is or what you're investing in as the market sold off. But I'm here to remind you that you don't have to rush into it as soon as things begin to look better. Because guess what? We can push up today and we can get rejected tomorrow. You can't be surprised by that. Please, please, please do your future self a favor and look out for yourself. Don't just be sold on the idea that the market has to recover. Understand that it takes time for the market to begin to indicate signs of recovery, and embrace and enjoy the process. There's no reason to rush into it. And again, I can't stress that enough. So this is just your friendly reminder that I am so happy that you're beginning to do well with your swing trade, that you're excited as the market begins to indicate signs of a recovery. But I'm here to kind of bring you back to earth and encourage you to control your emotions. So I'm up a little bit over $2,000 now on the day, and I'm going to sell 200 of my shares right now at these somewhat overbought levels, just in case it begins to pull on back. That, again, I'm not afraid to, buy more at these oversold levels, and I'm prepared, right? So on my green days, I like to prepare for my red days, and on my red days, I like to prepare for my green days. So if you guys have any questions whatsoever, please, I want to encourage you. I have a free trading Discord. It's the first link in the description. I want to encourage you to message me. Join our free Discord, send me a direct message, any question that you might have about getting started, being an absolute beginner, I want to answer it for you. That's that first link down below. I trade live every single morning with the Learn Plan Prof group. They are the ones that get to exclusively work with me on a one-on-one basis. And if you'd like to join the LPP group, again, that is going to be that second link down below. I really do appreciate you guys' time. Hope and wish you guys nothing but the best. I hope that I earned your thumbs up. Please consider subscribing. And like always, let's make sure that we end the year on a green note. Take it easy, team.